Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, absolute value inequality. Okay, ano ba ibig sabihin ng absolute value?
Always positive.
Bakit pa siya always positive? Ba't hindi siya never naging negative?
Si absolute.
Diba? When you say absolute value, this is usually used in what you call scalar quantities in science. Where oras. Meron ba negative na oras? Wala. Kasi you're measuring something that's concrete. How do we go about? I'll try to solve it first using the absolute value inequality way, the normal way. Whenever you have an absolute value less than a constant, how do you go about? The strategy is actually will make it become y minus 2 now at the middle, and it will now be between two numbers. One is the positive 3, the other is your negative 3. Parati bang ganyan ba? Depends, you have to be careful. If this absolute value is less than a negative number, then what can we say? Absolute value, sabi natin, always positive. Pwede ba siya maging less than negative?
No.
Doon pa lang, sabi natin, never will happen. It will be a null set or no solution. Same thing goes if it's absolute value less than 0. Kaya, you only do this when the constant on the right side is a positive number. How do you deal with this? Shortcut lang natin yan. Kasi parang ganito lang yan. Y minus 2 is greater than negative 3, and then y minus 2 is less than 3. How do you solve? Isolating the y. That means you have to add 2 to both sides. Same thing here, what you notice, add ka rin ng 2 to each. This now becomes negative 1, less than y, less than 5. What's the condition here? That y is an integer. Now, ang gusto niya malaman is the least possible value of y. The smallest integer that you can have here is the integer that's larger than negative 1, which is your
0.
0. Kaya ang sagot natin dito is your letter B. So, ito yung algebraic approach. The other one is to understand it. When you say y minus 2, it's like these are the 2 points, y and 2. So, if this is the number line, say this is the number 2. Hindi nagbabago sa 2. Si y lang pwede magbago. So, the distance between y and 2 should be less than 3. Mula sa 2, from the number line, pwede kang pumunta sa right, pwede kang pumunta sa left. So, pag pumunta ka sa right ng 3 units, 5. If you move 3 units naman to the left,
Negative 1.
negative 1. Pero sabi natin, hindi nga kasama si negative 1, hindi rin kasama si 5. Kaya ano yung unang integer na pwede natin magamit dito? Si 0. So again, if you understand, then everything should be easy to do. Yan ang importante sa math. Understanding. Kaya lahat ng mga mathematician, very understanding. Okay, yun lang.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UFCAT.